an introductory lecture for Science 2200. I will see about possibly doing more lectures on individual chapters if it's asked for. But basically, this is a class on meteorology. The books we're using, even though there are PowerPoints, handouts for each chapter, which will probably be plenty sufficient, but if you want to get it, it's called Aaron's Meteorology Today, Essentials of Meteorology, I think. Essentials of Meteorology. All right, 8th edition or so. So what we have, there will be 15 chapters. There's a review quiz for each one. You do 2 times. Okay. There will be about 10 videos. And what I'm going to have is a link for each one, along with the questions posted. It'll be on the syllabus, the content syllabus link. I'll have those, and there will be a video, and then there'll be a multiple choice quiz, which each one of those. And they're interesting. Well, first one is called Absolute Zero. The link is already up there. There will be a couple, 2 weather journals. So they'll be based on weather over a period of time. So we'll do one sometime in early February, another one in April. And then there will be 4 exams. Drop lowest, and then a final exam. All right, so everything will be, with the exception of the weather journal, all of these will be quizzes, submitted as quizzes. The videos will be submitted as multiple choice quizzes. The quizzes, the exams will be quizzes. The final will be a quiz to link, as far as that's concerned. So that's going to be the course. Right now I have the tentative schedule, but I may change it as far as that's concerned. If you have questions about the class, but the main thing is, once the calendar is set and I get it updated by the end of this weekend, I will have the entire course set up for the entire semester. So in that case, make sure you check the calendar for when things close, particularly for the exams. Generally for assignments, review quizzes, you'll have up to about 2 weeks. So I first have posted chapter 1 quiz, along with the video 1 quiz, Absolute Zero, and we'll go from there. So this is the basic introduction to the course. Again, this meets goal area 3 for a non-lab based course. It's an introductory course to understanding weather and climate and such. I will be on campus a lot if you have any questions. So that again, this is Science 2200.